Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable estimate missing locations on Google Photos. Show how to enable estimate missing locations on Google Photos. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Well, here you are in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down and find the Location menu. Well, here you have found it. And tap the Location menu. It will appear like this. And tap here to enable estimate missing locations. This feature allows Google Photos to estimate the location of photos that do not have location data, based on other information such as location history or visual clues. So that's it, tutorial how to enable estimate missing locations on Google Photos. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.